Okay, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to geography class. Today, we want to start a new lesson that is minerals and energy resources. Okay, minerals and energy resources. Almost all the topics from chapter number 4, agriculture, it is completed. Class test also done. Okay, again any doubts are there means you can ask that. Okay, you can raise questions, no problem in that. You can send message, you can call also. Okay, so the chapter is completed. And for the periodic test 2 from geography, okay, so we are keeping that chapter agriculture for the periodic test 2. Okay, clear or not? For periodic test 2 from geography, it is agriculture. Okay, only one chapter is there. Economics one chapter, history one chapter, and political science one chapter. I will inform later. From geography, it is agriculture. Okay, so mark that. Okay, so minerals and energy resources. This is a heading of this chapter. Okay, so in this chapter, basically, we are going to learn what are the different types of minerals that present in India. Clear? India, right? And what are the uses of those minerals? Okay, and how our economy is able to develop with the use of minerals. Clear? Not only minerals and energy resources. So today we know that the crisis that what we are facing that related with the energy. Okay. Hmm? So conventional sources of energy, non-conventional sources of energy. Okay, we will discuss about that in this chapter. Clear? Okay. So first of all, I'll go into the chapter directly. First question for you people: what are minerals? What are minerals? Any idea? Any idea? What are minerals? The answer is there in the textbook. So no need to write anything now. I will tell you. Okay, I can give time for you to write the notes there. So please wait. Okay, so you are writing something along with the class. It is not good at all. Okay, so what is a mineral? What is a mineral? Any uses are there for minerals? Tell me what is that? Come on fast. Any idea? No. Okay, so back to the notes here. You can see naturally occurring substances having okay, definite chemical composition and physical characteristics. Clear? Some sort of chemicals. Clear? So minerals are naturally occurring substances. Okay, that formed naturally. Clear? And definite chemical compositions are there. Clear? Okay, different chemicals are mixed with or it is present in the minerals. And physical characteristics. Clear or not? Maybe it's crystalline form, its structure, okay, its weight, or something like that. Okay, so that's what a mineral. So might you studied in chemistry, right or not? Hmm? Different minerals and the specialities of different minerals. Clear? Yes or no? Studied or not? No idea. Okay, let it be. Anyway, please write down what is a mineral. What is a mineral? What is that? It's naturally occurring substances. Naturally occurring substances having a definite chemical composition and physical characteristics. Clear? That is a mineral. Okay. So salt is an
We
example
need to
for a
write.
mineral, right? Yeah, we can write it now. No problem. Is that salt is a mineral? Common salt, table salt. Is that a mineral? No.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. That's a mineral, right or not? Okay. What is the chemical formula for the salt? The an idea? NaCl, right? Is that sodium chloride? Common salt, what is that? Okay, fine. So find it. It's a mineral. It's an example of a mineral. Okay, naturally occurring substances having a definite chemical composition and a physical characteristics. Okay. Second point, it is a homogeneous, naturally occurring substance with a definable internal structure. Internal structure. Okay. So scientists, they are able to define the internal structure of a mineral. Okay, clear or not? And the chemical composition of that particular mineral. Okay, it is homogeneous, almost the same. Naturally occurring substances with a definable internal structure. So one particular mineral, okay, its structure is homogeneous for that particular category, right? Okay, write down. Natural occurring substances having a definite chemical composition and physical characteristics. It is homogeneous, naturally occurring substance with a definable internal structure. Internal structure. Okay, that's what a mineral. Okay, so we are able to find the minerals in the form of ores, deposits, and mineral rocks. Okay, clear? Ores are there, mineral deposits are there, rocks or mineral rocks also present in the uh, environment around the earth. Okay, ore means we have to purify that to get the mineral. Number of chemical process necessary to convert the ore into a metal or a mineral. Basically, ores are connected with the metals. Okay, and the minerals also. Deposits. Some areas we are able to find some deposits of some particular metals or minerals in large quantities. Example, gold. Rocks, clear. Rocks, mineral rocks are there. Limestone is an example for that. Salt rocks are example for that. Okay, clear? Rocks. Next one, rocks are made up of minerals. Almost all the rocks that is made up of different types of minerals. Some rocks are made up of a single mineral, and some rocks are made up of different minerals. Okay, so example of rocks that made up of minerals or the minerals that are present in the rocks, that is iron, bauxite, calcium, copper. Okay, these are some example for minerals that present in the rocks. Okay, iron, bauxite, calcium, copper. Some example. This from your textbook only. Okay, so this is the meaning of the term or the question or answer for the question. What are minerals? What are minerals? Okay, it is naturally occurring substances. Okay, naturally occurring. Okay, so it's not human made and having a definite chemical composition. Chemical properties are there for that. And the physical characteristics, its size, its shape, its crystalline form, its weight, something like that. It's called the physical characteristics. It is homogeneous, naturally occurring substance with a definable internal structure. Okay, basically we study that in chemistry. What do you mean? The internal structure of an atom or a particular mineral. Okay, next one, it is occurs in the form of ores. Minerals we are able to find from the nature in the form of ores or deposits. Okay, accumulation of the mineral and that present in the rocks. Okay, most of the rocks are made up of minerals. Rocks are made up of minerals. Example or example for the minerals that is present in different rocks like iron, bauxite, calcium, copper. These are some examples for minerals that present in the rocks. Is that clear? Is these points clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So please write the notes. So I started screen sharing. Numerous cameras are turned off. No idea why it is so. Okay. So just turn on your cameras, all of you. Please keep the cameras on. Okay. So I think that this screen size is okay for you. You are able to read from your screen, right? The mobile phone screen. Want to increase the size?
No, sir.
Any problem to write the notes? No. Okay. So if you want to increase the size of the screen, just inform me. Okay. Moving to the next. Okay. classification of minerals flow chart. Okay, classification of minerals. Minerals are broadly classified into non-metallic minerals, metallic minerals, and fuel minerals or energy minerals. Clear? Okay, this is the classification of minerals. It's a flow chart. Okay, draw it. It is easy to learn. Okay, clear. So minerals are classified, broadly classified into three. That is non-metallic minerals, metallic minerals, energy minerals or fuel minerals. Okay, so non-metallic minerals means mica, salt, graphite, etc. They are not metals. Clear? They are not metals. So you know the property of the metal, right? Hmm? Most of the metals it will conduct heat, right? Right? Yes or no? Heat and electricity, right? But some minerals it will not do that. No, such kind of minerals are termed as non-metallic minerals. Non-metallic. Mica is an example for that. Salt is an example for that. Graphite is an example for that. Okay. So some variation or differences are there in the chemical and physical properties of metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Okay. So non-metallic minerals. Next one it is metallic minerals. Sorry. Metallic minerals. Metallic minerals divided into two. Okay, or metallic minerals classified into two. One is ferrous, other is non-ferrous. Ferrous minerals and ferrous metals and non-ferrous metals. Clear? Metallic minerals are again divided into two: ferrous and non-ferrous. Ferrous means, what is that? Iron, manganese, nickel, cobalt. Such kind of minerals are example for ferrous metallic minerals. Okay, ferrous. Clear or not? Iron, manganese, nickel, cobalt are example for ferrous minerals. And non-ferrous minerals are bauxite, copper, lead, etc. etc. Okay. Told you minerals broadly classified into three: non-metallic, metallic, energy minerals. Energy minerals. Okay. Metallic minerals again classified into two: ferrous and non-ferrous. Ferrous and non-ferrous. Okay. So the third classification of mineral is energy minerals, energy fuel minerals. Example: coal, petroleum products, petrol, diesel, kerosene, etc. Clear or not? They are energy minerals. Okay, or fuel minerals.
Sir,
Ah,
Sri is not able to enter.
so I disabled the waiting room. Anybody can enter, no problem. No waiting room is here. Waiting room is disabled actually. Okay, let him try again. Fine. So classification of minerals. Minerals are classified broadly into three: non-metallic, metallic, energy minerals. Right. So metallic minerals again classified into two: ferrous and non-ferrous. So this studied, if you studied this in class 8, remembering that? Any idea? Classification of minerals? No idea. Okay, that's understood. Okay, so we studied about the meaning of minerals. I mean, what are minerals? And the classification of minerals. Classification of minerals. Okay, Maria Salvin, tell me, how can we classify the minerals?
Non-metallic,
Hmm.
metallic, energy minerals.
Okay, then metallic minerals can be classified into
Ferrous and non-ferrous.
ferrous and non-ferrous. And tell me what is or what are minerals? Shania, what are minerals?
It is a natural occurring substance.
Naturally occurring substance.
Having a definite chemical composition and physical
Ah,
characteristics.
physical characteristics. Okay, fine. So I hope these things are clear for you, right? Okay, so some definitions are there. You have to read it properly, learn them properly. Okay, next. Okay, mode of occurrence. Okay, the presence of minerals. I already told you that we are able to find the minerals in the form of ores, deposits. Okay, ores, deposits, and rocks. No need to write now. Please wait. Mode of occurrence, where the minerals are found, where it is present. Where are the minerals found? That is a question here. Okay. Minerals are usually found in ores and therefore are extracted from it. First occurrence, what is that? In the form of ores. You might heard about iron ore, right? Yes or no? Heard about iron ore? Yes or no? Yes, iron ore. So we are unable to use this iron ore directly as iron, right? Clear or not? Some process is there, smelting of that, purifying of that. Clear or not? Okay, we have to
Yes, sir.
smelt it and we have to purify that. And some other metals also will add along with this iron to harden it. Clear or not? Okay. For
Yes, sir.
example, you know that stainless steel, right? Clear or not? Okay, so that's what iron ore. Some minerals or some metals are present on the Earth's surface in the form of ores there. Zan, turn off your mic, please. Okay,
Okay,
ores.
sir.
Later we have to purify that, then we are able to use it. Okay, iron ore is an example for that. Okay, ore refers to an accumulation of any mineral mixed with the other elements. Okay, so iron, it is mixed with the sand or soil, that is termed as iron ore. Okay, then we have to purify that. We have to separate the pure iron from the iron ore. Clear? Next one, they basically occur in rocks. Clear? The first occurrence, iron, sorry, ore. Okay, so minerals are usually found in ores and therefore are extracted from it. Clear? Ore refers to an accumulation of any mineral mixed with the other elements. They occur basically in rocks. Write down. Okay, you can write now. So where are the minerals found?
Sir, accumulation means.
Accumulation means what we can say that okay, it's a collection basically. Clear or not? Okay, collection of any mineral. Okay, in particular place we are able to find a deposition, a huge quantity of that thing is present. Clear? That's what accumulation. Okay, so ore refers to an accumulation of any mineral mixed with the other elements. They occur basically in rocks. Okay, basically in rocks. You can see the picture, right? So I will explain that.
Sir, in that
For a
picture,
question.
sir, in that picture,
Leave the
one
picture. There is nothing is there in that picture. There we cannot say anything that. Okay, it's just a picture for representation. Okay,
one
cannot say
yellow color
it
thing,
is
one light,
gold, it is diamond or something like that.
one
Leave
light
that.
is there.
Okay, that is because of what? Reflection. That only. Okay, so there is nothing related with that picture. Okay, no need to observe that. That's what. Okay, just for representation. Okay. So you can see that yellow color things here. For example, for gold, it is okay. Completed.
Sir, 1 minute, 1 minute.
So heading, mode of occurrence. First question: where are the minerals found? Completed, I think so, right?
That point, that minerals are usually found in ores and therefore are extracted from it. Sir, 1 minute.
Turn on your cameras, please. Sorry for the inconvenience.
That last
Okay.
point.
Yeah, I will show
That
that.
one refers to an
I will show that, man. Okay, check it. Okay, they occur in rocks. Fine. So moving forward, next one. So we already studied in the junior classes. Okay, you people studied that. What is that? The rock cycle. The rock cycle. Can anyone explain what is a rock cycle?
how the rock
What are
is,
the
how the rock is formed.
formed?
How the rock is formed. Rock is formed.
The rock will
Uh,
fit into many things to form soil.
okay. So what are the three different types of rocks?
Igneous rocks.
Okay.
Metamorphic.
Metamorphic. Correct.
Sedimentary rocks.
Sedimentary rocks. Very good. So the rock cycle, the primary rock, it is the igneous rock, right? Right or not? That form related with the volcanic explosion or volcanic activity, right? Okay. Extrusive igneous rocks and intrusive igneous rocks. We studied that, right? Yes or no? No. No idea about that.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
SR, SR.
That's what the primary rock, igneous rocks, are primary rocks there. Okay. So almost all the different types of minerals are present in the igneous rocks. Clear? because it is formed up from the molten lava. Molten lava. So molten lava that came to the surface of the earth, later it will solidify, right? Okay, because of the cool temperature. Clear. Then what will happen there? Almost all the different types of minerals are present in such kind of rocks there, and due to some chemical activity, okay, chemical activity, what will happen there? These igneous rocks will turn into metamorphic one, right? Right? So that is because of oxidization, okay, or exposure to other gases in the atmosphere. Clear or not? Or exposure to the sunlight as a relation with the sunlight and other gases in the atmosphere, some chemical changes will occur in the rocks there. Finally, what will happen there? The igneous rocks, okay, not all the igneous one, okay. So some particles, sorry, some parts of the igneous rocks with some chemical composition will turn to something else, or some other type of rocks. Such kind of rocks are basically termed as the metamorphic rocks. Metamorphism, change. Okay, that changed. Okay, so igneous rocks changed into some other kind of rocks that is termed as a metamorphic rocks. Metamorphism. Clear? Okay. Example limestone. Because of pressure and temperature for long years, the limestone will convert into what? Marble, right? Yes or no? No or not? Yes, that's an example for metamorphism. Okay, so let it be. So, what do you mean sedimentary rocks? Sedimentary rocks. Hmm? The weathered particles of the metamorphic, or what we can say, the igneous rocks. Okay, it will move along with the course of the river. Okay, clear or not? And the movement of the water or river will deposit these kind of sediments in the ditches. Okay, ditches means hole or gap on the surface of the earth in the ditches. Okay, so layers will form, okay, of different types of rocks. Okay, sedimentary rocks is a combination of different types of rocks, not a single rock, right? Or different materials also we are able to find in the sedimentary rock. Not only a single mineral or a single metal, different types of metals and minerals are present in the sedimentary rocks. Okay, these are the three basic types of rocks: igneous rocks, metamorphic rocks, and the sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks. Shani is very busy to write something. What is that, Shania?
Sir, lecture no.
Okay. So that's it. So for understanding, I told that there are three types of rocks are there: igneous rocks, metamorphic rocks, and sedimentary rocks. Okay. Clear or not? Again, because of the volcanic activity, this metamorphic, sedimentary, or the igneous rocks again will mix with the mantle. Okay, lava in the mantle or molten materials in the mantle. Okay, clear or not? Again, it will come out as igneous rock. So it's a cycle. It's a cyclical process, right? Igneous, metamorphic, so sedimentary. Again, igneous, metamorphic, sedimentary. Again, it will round. Okay, like a cycle wheel. That's called be a rock cycle. Rock cycle. Clear? Is that clear or not? Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the presence of metals and minerals in different types of rocks. Example, you can see here igneous and metamorphic rocks. Okay, presence of minerals in igneous rocks and metamorphic rocks. Okay, so minerals occur in cracks. Okay, cervix, folds or joints. Okay, so in the rocks we are able to find what is that? Cracks we are able to find on the rocks there, right? Okay, so minerals that are present in such type of cracks there. Okay, you can see here cracks. Okay, cervix, some type of openings will be there. Clear or not? Huh? Clear. That's called to be cervix. Openings, some openings in the rock strata. That's called to be cervix. Folds or joints. Okay, two rock strata will join. Okay, in that joint also we are able to find minerals. Okay, so in igneous or metamorphic rocks we are able to find the minerals in the cracks, cervix, folds or joints. Okay, underline that. Okay, the smaller occurrence are called veins. Okay, you can see lines here, right? Lines on these rocks. Some lines are there, right? Okay, these are the example for what are veins. Okay, the smaller quantity that available, sorry, smaller quantity of mineral that available in a rock, it is basically termed as veins. Okay, smaller quantity that present or smaller quantity of mineral that present in a rock is termed as veins. Okay, so larger quantity of mineral that present in a rock strata is termed as lodes. Clear? Smaller quantity is termed as veins, and larger quantity is termed as lodes there. Underline these two words are important. 1 mark answer. The smaller occurrence are called veins. Okay, and the larger occurrence of minerals are termed as lodes. Okay, lodes and veins. Question: what are lodes and veins? Okay, so metallic minerals, not non-metallic, metallic minerals such as tin, copper, zinc, and lead, etc., are obtained from veins and lodes. So these minerals are present in igneous and metamorphic rocks. Okay, these metals like copper, tin, zinc, lead are example for that. That minerals are present in igneous and metamorphic rocks. Basically, igneous and metamorphic rocks. Smaller occurrence or smaller quantity that present in the rocks is basically termed as veins, and large quantity of minerals that present in the rock strata is termed as lodes. Underline that. Basically, veins and lodes. Veins and lodes. Okay, you can see the picture here, right? Okay, we can write now. Igneous and metamorphic rocks. Presence of minerals in igneous and metamorphic rocks. Okay. Minerals occur in cracks, cervix, faults, or joints. The smaller occurrences are called veins. Lodes are the larger occurrences. Metallic minerals such as tin, copper, zinc, and lead, etc., are obtained from veins and lodes. Veins and lodes. Veins and lodes.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, is this not, so this not
What
this chapter? Sir, is this chapter not? Sir, showing the slide now.
What is your question, Mr. Fisan?
Sir, this chapter is not, no, this is showing slides.
What? It's not clear. Tell me what is that?
Sir, I said that this sir showed some slides, no, that notes, no, our.
Ah, yeah, that's it. You please write down. Done?
Sir, last point.
Let me take the tendencies. Aaron Jose Thomas is present. Aaron Jose. Agnando. Alisha Shaji. Alisha. Is Alisha present? Anna Jambas. Angelo.
Present, sir.
Ashna. Godwin. Lena.
Present, sir.
Chrisjo. Delvin.
Present, sir.
Elna. Elna Rose. Isha.
Present,
Isha.
sir.
Eva.
Present, sir.
Present, sir.
Shifana. Shifana. Fisan.
Present, sir.
Maria Salvin.
Present, sir.
Meghna. Muhammad Nihal. Nazil. Nabil. Navneet Krishna.
Present.
Nasrin. Nasrin. Rachel George. Rachel Boban. Raya Hasim. Raya. Rohan Raj.
Present, sir.
Roland. Roland. Roshan Jain. Shweta VP, Vishnu Shaji,
Present, sir.
Abhin Thompson,
Present, sir.
Ahlam Fatima,
Present, sir.
Alna Rose,
Present, sir.
Ananda Krishna, Anjali Priya,
Present, sir.
Anthony Maxi, Arun Bhaskar, Ashik Joshi, Atulya VS,
Present, sir.
Bastin Joe, Devasena Baiju,
Present, sir.
Dominic,
Present, sir.
Elsa,
Present, sir.
Emerin, Fagat, Gauri Nandana,
Present, sir.
Gautam CJ,
Present, sir.
Jerlin,
Present, sir.
Jesslyn,
Present, sir.
Justin, Karthik, Kshetra,
Present, sir.
Lakshmi, okay, Melita,
Present, sir.
Minha,
Present, sir.
Revkesh,
Present, sir.
Said, Sania,
Present, sir.
Present, sir.
Shania Simon,
Present, sir.
Sean Joseph,
Present, sir.
Soval Jason,
Present, sir. Present.
Sriram,
Present, sir.
Srihari, Swadi Krishna,
Present, sir.
okay, fine, thank you. Okay, so that completed. Okay, next one, sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks. Okay, you can see that it's a mix of different types of rocks there in layers. You can see here example for that. Okay, sedimentary rocks. You can see one particular rock strata. You can see that it's like layers, buds like, right? Buds like structure is there, right? Okay, you can see here. Here also. Okay, so sedimentary rocks, minerals occur in buds and layers. You can see that buds and layers. Clear? Okay, small layers will be there, and this is like a thick bud-like structure also you can see on this rock strata. Okay, so minerals occur in beds and layers formed as so in igneous rocks and the metamorphic rocks it is termed as veins and lodes. Okay, coming to the sedimentary rocks, it is termed as beds and layers. Beds and layers. Okay, that is formed as a result of deposition. So sedimentary rocks will form as a result of deposition, as we know. Accumulation and concentration in horizontal strata. You can see the strata. The horizontal stratas are there. One strata is parallel to the other. Okay, so example it is gypsum, potash salt, and sodium salt. Gypsum, potash salt, and sodium salt. Oh, who is this? Chris Joe? Chris Joe?
Just your connection problem.
Okay, tell me. What is the trouble? You are present, right?
Jesslyn also. Jesslyn have connection problem, sir.
Jesslyn.
Sir, not for me. Actually, he had some connection problems, so he joined after
Yeah.
Okay, Chris Joe. Okay, fine. Okay, done. Okay, so please write it. Okay, so it's sedimentary rocks. Minerals are present in beds and layers. Okay, beds means large occurrence, layers are small occurrence. Formed as a result of deposition, accumulation, and concentration in the horizontal strata. Example: gypsum, potash salt, and sodium salt. Okay, so it is basically formed as a result of evaporation. Okay, some water or other content will evaporate. Okay, clear or not? Finally, that mineral will be present, or mineral will be there on this beds and the layers in basically in the sedimentary rocks. So it's an example for a sedimentary rock. Number of different types of crystals mixed with, right? Okay. So take a screenshot of the same. It's time to wind up the session. Okay, we will meet in the next class. Okay, please learn all those things. Prepare for the political science class test in the afternoon. Okay, bye. Anything else? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So thank you everyone. We'll meet in the afternoon session. Bye.